That meat, it is falling apart. It's like butter, guys. It just, oh, it's melting in my mouth. We are going to blend 1 tomatillo, 2 tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, 2 chipotle peppers with adobo. I'm gonna add some water and I'm gonna go puree it. I have 2 pounds of chuck roast here. I cut it into big chunks. I did trim off the excess big pieces of fat, but we still have a nice marble and a bunch of this. I'm gonna season this with salt, black pepper, let's say half a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of oregano, preferably Mexican. We're gonna let this meat sit on the counter for a good 20 minutes until it's at room temperature. I'm gonna add 2 slices of bacon, which I just chopped, and we're gonna let that cook until it starts rendering fat. Okay, now that this has started rendering some fat, I'm going to add a small onion, which I sliced thinly. We are going to let this onion cook for about 5 minutes until it's softened. I am going to remove it and put it aside. And I'm going to put the meat in a single layer. So I'll work in batches. I want this to brown on all sides. As soon as this is releases easily and I see that it's brown, I'm going to flip it over. Once your meat is browned on, all the sides, I want you to remove it into a little plate. I'm going to add the blended tomatoes, and I want you to scrape the bottom. That is full of flavor, guys. All right, we're going to let this sauce here simmer for about 5 minutes. We're going to use Negra Modelo for this recipe. You can use any dark beer, like even Guinness if you want. We're going to use 3/4 cups, okay? For our vegetables, I am using 6 Brussels sprouts, which I just trimmed and halved. I'm using half of a turnip, guys. I just peeled it and I cut it into cubes. Half of a zucchini, same thing. I just cut it into big chunks, and 1 carrot, which I peeled and cut. All right, now that this is thickened a bit, I'm gonna return the meat and the onions and the bacon. I'm going to add half a cup of cilantro, 3/4 cup of that beer, and 3/4 cups of beef stock, some thyme, a few sprigs, and the vegetables. And we're gonna start this on stew for 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, this is good. I'm gonna taste for salt. It doesn't need any, it's perfect. Check this out. Oh my gosh. This is a very, very nice dish and easy to make.